Hello everyone! Welcome to the Finance Wisdom channel. If you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we will talk about 10 legit ways to earn money online that no one told you. While many ways to earn money online, not all of them are legitimate. Some of the most common methods, such as taking online surveys or clicking on ads, can cost you money. In this video, Finance Wisdom will show you some of the best ways to legitimately make money online without having to invest any money upfront. These methods are really simple and can be done by anyone regardless of your experience level. So if you're looking for a way to start making some extra cash, stay tuned because you're in for a treat. Number 1, you can earn money through Flippa.com. Flippa was founded in 2009 and is headquartered in Melbourne, Australia. Flippa.com is a popular online marketplace that allows people to buy and sell websites, domain names, and apps. It's a great way to earn money online, and users can make a good income by flipping websites and domains they no longer need or want. The process is simple. Users create an account, list their items for sale, and wait for buyers to make offers. Once an offer is accepted, the seller transfers the website or domain to the buyer's account, and the buyer pays Flippa.com a small commission. The company has a team of experts who review all these things to ensure they are legit and not fraudulent. Flippa.com is a great way to earn extra income, and it's a service that we recommend to anyone interested in buying or selling websites or domain names. Number 2, Shopify.com. Shopify.com is a legitimate website where you can earn online. It is a trusted platform for businesses of all sizes to sell their products and services online. Shopify has been in business since 2004 and has helped over 1 million businesses get started online. You can sign up for a free 14-day trial to see if Shopify is right for you. If you decide to use Shopify, you can choose from over 100 professional themes and start selling your product or services within minutes. You can also use Shopify to create a custom website or blog. With Shopify, you can easily accept payments, track inventory, manage to ship, and more. Trustpilot, an independent review site, gives Shopify 4 out of 5 stars based on over 14,000 reviews. Shopify is a legitimate website that can help you start and grow your business online. Number 3, ClickBank.com. ClickBank.com is a website where people can earn money by marketing products. It is a legitimate website and it is safe to use. Most people don't know about this website, but it is a great way to earn money online. There are many products available on the website that you can promote and earn commissions. The products are digital and there is no shipping or handling involved. You can enable the products through your blog or website. You can also promote the products through social media. There are many ways to earn money on ClickBank.com. You can earn up to 75% commission on each sale. You can also earn recurring income by promoting membership products. ClickBank.com is a great way to make money online and is a legitimate website. Number 4, YouTube.com. YouTube.com is a website that provides users with a platform to upload, view, and share videos. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world after Google. YouTube is also a great way to earn extra money. You can monetize your videos by enabling ads or become a YouTube partner and make money through paid subscriptions and merchandise sales. To use YouTube to its fullest potential, you need to understand how it works. This includes knowing how to optimize your videos for SEO as well as how to market your channel and grow your audience. You can turn your passion for making videos into a lucrative side hustle with a little effort. Number 5. Rover.com. If you're a pet lover, you may be interested in Rover.com, a website that allows you to earn money by caring for pets. Rover is a trusted community of pet sitters and dog walkers, and it's a great way to make some extra cash if you love spending time with animals. To get started, simply create a profile and search for clients in your area. Once you've found a client, you'll arrange a meet and greet to get acquainted with the pet and ensure everyone is comfortable. Once you begin providing services, you can set your rates and schedule. And since Rover screens all its pet sitters and dog walkers, you can rest assured that you're working with trustworthy and reliable people. So if you're looking for a fun and rewarding way to earn some extra money, check out Rover.com today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Number 6. You can also earn money through Amazon.com. Amazon.com is a website where you can find anything you need, from books and electronics to clothes and grocery items. You can also earn extra money by becoming an Amazon affiliate. As an affiliate, you can earn commissions on qualifying purchases made by customers that you refer to the Amazon website. To become an Amazon affiliate, simply create an account and click on the affiliates link at the bottom of the Amazon homepage. From there, you'll be able to access the affiliate program terms and conditions and the promotional tools and resources available to affiliates. Once you've reviewed the information, click on the Join Now button to start. With a little effort, you can start earning money from Amazon.com today. Number 7. Upwork.com. Upwork.com is a website where people can find freelance work and hire freelancers for work they need to be completed. While it is an excellent resource for businesses and individuals looking to get quality work done quickly and affordably, it is also a perfect way for people to make extra money. The site is very easy to navigate and has various jobs available, so there is something for everyone. In addition, the place is very safe and secure, so users can be sure that their personal information will not be compromised. Overall, Upwork.com is an excellent resource for businesses and individuals alike. Number 8. TakeLessons.com. TakeLessons.com is an online site. Number 8. TakeLessons.com. TakeLessons.com is an online platform that helps connect students with experienced teachers for private lessons. Founded in 2006, Take Lessons has helped millions of students improve their skills in various subjects, including music, dance, and language arts. Taking and teaching lessons are great ways to earn some extra money on this site. Not everybody knows about TakeLessons.com, but it's a fantastic website that offers opportunities for both students and teachers. If you're looking for a way to make some extra cash, check out TakeLessons.com. You can search for students who want to learn the same things you're passionate about and set your rates. Teaching lessons is a great way to share your knowledge with others and earn money simultaneously. And if you're looking to learn something new, TakeLessons.com is also a great place to find teachers who can help you reach your goals. With TakeLessons.com, there's no excuse not to start learning or teaching today. Number 9. Shutterstock.com. Shutterstock.com is a stock photography website offering a wide variety of images for personal and commercial use. The site has over 80 million royalty-free photos, videos, and illustrations, making it one of the largest online repositories of stock photos. If you're a professional photographer, there's a good chance you've heard of Shutterstock.com. Shutterstock is a popular website where people can buy and sell royalty-free photos. illustrations, and videos. You may not know that Shutterstock also allows photographers to earn money by selling their pictures through the site. When someone buys one of your photos, you'll receive a commission based on the price of the photo. The commission rates vary depending on the size and resolution of the image, but they're typically between 20% and 30%. So if you have an extensive portfolio of high-quality photos, you could potentially earn a decent amount of money by selling them through Shutterstock.com. Lastly, number 10, Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is an online marketplace that allows businesses and individuals to connect and collaborate on various projects. Although it is not as well known as some other websites in this space, Fiverr.com has a lot to offer its users. For businesses, Fiverr.com provides an easy way to find and hire freelancers for various tasks, from design and development to marketing and SEO. For individuals, Fiverr.com offers an opportunity to earn extra money by completing tasks for businesses. In addition, Fiverr.com also provides a wide range of tools and resources that companies and individuals can use to improve their productivity and efficiency. Overall, Fiverr.com is an excellent resource for companies and individuals looking to connect and collaborate on various projects. If you are looking for ways to make some extra money online, the options mentioned should give you a good starting point. Keep in mind that not all these methods will work for everyone, so be sure to test out a few and see which ones produce the best results. What have you tried from this list? Did it work well for you? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and goodbye.